Good afternoon, everybody. Jason Overly with Overly Equipment and www.fordjacobsontractor.com. It's a very muggy afternoon here in western Pennsylvania, and we just finished up another tractor sort of restoration, I guess you want to call it. We didn't do all of it. Same customer as we did the 145 close-sided back last winter, or one of our other videos. Same customer. And this was his dad's, and they're out from Circleville, Ohio. And actually, they'd started this project a couple years ago with another tractor guru, but unfortunately, he passed away and could not finish the job. So we took it upon ourselves to finish it for him so he could take it to the shows. I guess there's a couple big Ford shows coming up in Indiana next year, and he wanted to have them all done up. So we got this one done. We restored the deck a couple years ago, and now we were going to he asked if we could finish it up. So I actually worked on this deck once before, and now I had to finish it, painting it and putting it together, finish restoring it and putting it underneath the tractor. Now we just did all the blues. The gray and the black was already done. Motor was good, transmission's good, wheels, tires. We just basically did all the blue as you see, the decals, the black grill, everything, put everything back together, lined the panels up. Turned out to be pretty good. I'd have liked to have done the whole thing, start to finish, but unfortunately, due to our circumstances, it is what it is. But still, it turned out really nice. We're happy with it. I'm hoping he is too. I already sent him pictures, and he's excited. He's actually coming to pick it up this Saturday. So if anybody needs any parts or has questions or anything pertaining to these tractors, we mostly deal with the tube frames, but we have parts for the angle frames and stuff. I'm not that keen on the angle frames, but I do my best with them. But it turned out to be a really nice machine. If you need parts for closed sides, open sides, information, if you need decals, see George Bradish at georgebradishtractorparts.com. He has all the decals. That's where I get all my decals. I stock a lot of parts. I stock hubcaps, the rubber hubcaps as you see. These ones are plastic. We stock a rubber hubcap that fits these LGTs now. We also stock the red reflectors, headlights, and we have plenty of used parts as well. The only unfortunately thing we're not doing is the 50-inch blades no more. With the prices of everything in today's market, I cannot afford to get blades and have them machined for the 50. So we're out of them, and we have a very limited stock on the 42-inch. So if you need 42-inch blades, you better get them now, because once they're gone, they're gone. I don't know when I'll start making blades again. Maybe once the market picks up and there's a demand for them again. But anyhow, everybody, sorry, I'm not very good at this video stuff. So keep your stick on the ice, keep your chin up, and keep grinding. We'll catch you later. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for watching.